The next letter is to. To, fatia, to. To. We arrive at this by taking the T. The sound of the T that begins the spelling to, which is plus fatia sound, which is a, to give it ta. We don't call it ta because to itself has o sound. So the o sound in to will overcome fatia sound, which is a. It will now become o. So in essence, you say to, fatia, to. The next one is zo. Zo, fatia, zo. So we arrive at this by taking the phonetic sound of the first letter in the spelling zo, which is z here, z. Together with a sound, it will give you what? Zo. It will give you za. But because zo has o sound in it, it will overcome the fatia sound, which is a, to become o. It now become zo, fatia, zo. Then the next one is ein, fatia, a. So we arrive at this by taking the A in ein. You use your nose to call that. We call it nationalization in Tajweed. Ein. So a plus a will give you a. That's how we arrive at ein, fatia, a. Then the next letter is going. Going, fatia, go. Going, fatia, go. We arrive at this by taking the sound of this GH in going. This GH sound g. So plus fatia sound, which is a, it gives us what? Go. Normally it's supposed to be ga, but because going has all sound in it, so it overcome the fatia sound, which is a, it now become go. Going, fatia, go. Then the next one is fa. Fa, fatia becomes fa, fatia, fa. We arrive at this by taking the F, the sound of the F that begins the spelling fa, which is plus a fatia sound, which is a, it become fa. That's how we arrive at fa, fatia, fa. Then the next one is qaf, fatia, qa. We arrive at this by taking the phonetic sound of q in qaf, which is plus a sound. You give it what? Ka. But you don't call it ka because qaf has all sound in it. It overcomes the fatia sound, which is I. It becomes qa. Then the next letter is kaf. Kaf fatia becomes ka. Kaf fatia, ka. Kaf fatia, ka. We arrive at this by taking this phonetic sound of k that begins the spelling kaf, which is k, plus fatia sound, which is a, give you what? Ka. That's how we arrive at kaf, fatia, ka. The next letter is lam. Lam, fatia, la. lam, fatia, la. We arrive at this by taking the sound of L in the spelling lam, plus fatia sound, which is gives you what? La. Lam, fatia, la. Then mim, fatia, ma. Mim, fatia, ma. We arrive at this by taking the sound of M that begins the spelling mim, plus the fatia sound, which is gives you what? Ma, ma. Mim, fatia, ma. Then the next letter is nun. Nun, fatia, na. Nun, fatia, na. We arrive at this by taking the N that begins the spelling nun. The sound of N, the phonetic sound of N, which is plus fatia sound, which is gives you what? Na, na. Nun, fatia, na. The next letter is how. How, fatia, ha. You call it deeper. How, fatia, ha. We arrive at this by taking the sound of the first spelling of the first letter, which is H here. But this H sound, plus R sound, it gives what? Ha. That's how we arrive at how, fatia, ha. Then the next letter is wow. Wow, fatia gives you what? Wa. Wow, fatia, wa. We arrive at this by taking the W that begins the spelling wow. The W plus R sound. It will now give us wa. That's how we arrive at wow, fatia, wa. Then lastly, we have yao. Yao with 2 dots on there. Yao, fatia gives us what? Ya. We arrive at this by taking this sound of Y plus R sound, fatia sound, which is R, gives us what? Ya. That's how we arrive at yao, fatia, ya.